Hello and welcome to Two Car Pros. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to replace the air filter for a Dodge Caravan V6 3.3 liter from 2008. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is locate the airbox. It is right here. And this is really easy. I don't even think you need any tools. You just need to pull this way on these tabs. And that will free up the airbox. Oh, you can remove that tube. That's kind of easy. Okay, with a little bit of maneuvering, there's these back tabs. You see these here? See against my glove? These little black tabs here. They have a little lip, so you might need to kind of position the airbox up a little bit and maneuver it out of place, and then we can remove the old air filter. The next thing we want to do is take a rag and wipe down the interior of the airbox. We're going to try to make this as clean as possible. I wouldn't use chemicals or anything to clean this, just wiping it down is good. Just try to get all the dust and little grime and grit and dirt out of there. So there's even a couple leaves in this one. So we need to remove those. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is compare our old air filter to our new one. What you need here is a CA9054. I will leave a link in the description below to this air filter. So as we can see, it is the same size and the same shape as our old air filter, except nice and new. Now let's reinstall it. Okay, so I've taken the top of the airbox off completely. That is an unnecessary step. I just did it so you can see what I'm doing a little bit better. Now because this is a rectangle, obviously we want to put it back in place like this, not try to make it go like this. So you want to go widthways. And make sure it is seated down in place. There's a little brim or a little edge that this sits down into. And you want to make sure that it is all in place so the airbox will seal onto here. So now we can replace the top of the airbox. So if you want to remove the top of the airbox, which did make this a teeny bit easier, that's an 8mm. I got an 8mm nut driver here. So you got to kind of move the boot out of the way. And then put those tabs in the rear I was talking about, those kind of slide into place. I can put the boot back on. Again, removing the top of the airbox is unnecessary. You can kind of just slide the old air filter out and the new one in. I just did it so you guys could see what I'm doing a little bit better. So now that the tabs on the back of the airbox are kind of slotted into their place, we can push down on this one, on this side, until these tabs lock into place. There we go. So I just pushed down here and these locked into place. We know it's sealed. We're gonna replace that tube that fell off earlier. And there you go, all finished. So that's how you replace the air filter in this van. It is super easy and straightforward. This is something anybody can do. If I can do it, you can do it. Thank you so much for watching. All applicable links are down in the description, and I'll catch you next time.